Welcome! In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and today I will show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So there's actually two different ways of doing it, but both of them begin by you opening up the content that you wish to capture. So once you have it open, which for me I'm just going to use the home screen as an example. The first way to do it is just press power key and volume down at the same time, like this, and you get this animation then pop up at the bottom. From here you can edit the image, share it, and just basically remove it as well, or open it up in the gallery. And there's the first way. And the second one is just swiping your palm across the screen. So I'm just gonna try to do it in a completely wonky way, trying to bend my wrist in a way that it shouldn't, and see if it will work. There we go, it worked. So you also seen it right here, and that's basically how it goes. So you basically want to entire palm on the finger and on the screen and just slide it across, and that takes a screenshot. And from here, both of those screenshots can be found in your photo gallery right here, so you can see it today. And also should create a album called screenshots, so you can see it, both of them right here. So let's just go back. And that is basically how you would capture a screenshot on this device. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.